Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the develop schedule. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and develop schedule is basically a process in the project schedule management, and we have taken this topic from PMBOK guide, project management body of knowledge. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Friend, develop a schedule is the process of analyzing activity sequences, durations, resource requirements and schedule constraints to create the project schedule model. This particular group process, develop a schedule, is belonging to the planning process group as per the PMBOK guide. Now, what are the inputs and outputs for this process, develop a schedule? First of all, we shall discuss about the inputs. First input is the project management plan, which includes the schedule management plan and a scope baseline. Friend, just remember that whenever we talk about project management plan, basically we are talking about that how will you deliver the things to the customer. Okay, so the question of how is basically answered in the project management plan. Okay, then the project documents, which includes the activity attributes, activity list, assumption log, basis of estimates, duration estimates, lesson learned document, milestone list, project schedule network diagram, project team assignment, resource calendar, resource requirement and the risk register. So, this is the second input. Then the enterprise environmental factor. Enterprise environmental factor means the overall culture of the organization, like what type of software they are using, what type of project management methodology they are using. So, overall we are talking about the culture of an organization. Then the organizational process asset. Organizational process asset means the like for example, the cost estimates, the project management plans which were made for in the previous projects, the time estimates, the contracts, agreements. So, all these are basically the OPA or organizational process assets. Then the tools and techniques which we use, first one is the schedule network analysis, in which we analyze the schedule. Then the critical path method. Critical path method means the longest path of the project, the activities which are on the critical path, that means these are the activities which cannot be delayed. If those activities which are on the critical path delayed, so that means the overall project will definitely be delayed. Then resource optimization, data analysis, leads and lags. Leads means the time for which if any activity is delayed, the overall project will not be delayed. Lag means that the project is basically behind the schedule, like means to 1 day lag or 2 day lag. Then the schedule compression. Schedule compression means that if there is a need to compress the schedule, so that is called the schedule compression. The project management information system, that means any software which we are using for managing the project, like for example Jira, Microsoft Project, project server. So, these are the type of a project management information system. Then agile release planning, that how will you do the release or release the agile basically. So, these are the tools and techniques. Then the output of this, the develop schedule process, is the schedule baseline. Baseline means, always remember friend, whenever we talk about baseline, basically we are referring that how will you measure the performance of the schedule actually. Then the project schedule. Project schedule is basically a chart which shows that what are the activities, what is the duration of activities, what is the who will be responsible for that activity, when the activity is starting, when the activity will be finishing, and what is the overall schedule, overall these starting and ending date of a project. Then schedule data, project calendar, change request. Change request means friend, always remember friend, that anything which is beyond the boundary of a scope document, okay, so that is considered as a change request, and always change is approved through a appropriate process in the organization. Project management plan update, that means schedule management plan and the cost baseline. Project document updates, which includes the activity attributes, assumption log, duration estimates, lesson learned document, lesson learned register, the resource requirement and the risk register. Risk register is basically simply risk, you know that any uncertain condition for which you are not sure whether it will happen or not happen. If it happen positively, it will become an opportunity. If it happen negatively, so it will become an issue for you. Risk register basically describe the impact and probability. Probability means the likelihood and occurrence of an event, and impact means the impact in terms of time and cost, what is the impact. So, basically risk register include all those things. So, friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.